Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. I'm your honey badger here, giving it to you straight in the RV business as usual. Since we went full time in a fifth wheel and it's November and it's 20 degrees outside here in Oregon, we got to create more insulation so that way we can stay warmer. So I'm going to show you some of the secrets I've learned from being in the business for a while. What we're attempting to do is create more insulation, but from the bottom of the fifth wheel. So we're going to surround it and seal it using plywood and block foam insulation. Let me show you how we're going to do it. We're going to use 7/16 OSB. And the reason why is because A, it's cheap, and B, you don't need thick plywood for this. Some of the tools I'm using obviously is going to be a tape measure. I'm going to use a hand saw, and then we're going to use a drill. Now I only have one battery to work with today, so I'm going to be swapping in and out. And then we're going to use 1 3/4 inch screws to put the insulation into the plywood. This is the insulation we're using, R5. It's 1 inch thick, and you use a basic razor blade to cut it and break it. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach it to the plywood. So what we're going to do to steady it, because we're not going to really screw into anything, is we're just going to set it steady. If you're enjoying this video, please smash the like button so YouTube will spread it to other RVers or potential RVers. Now, I had to cut every single piece of OSB and insulation so that way it would fit around the slide outs. I didn't want to box in straight down the side. I wanted to give some extra insulation to the bottom of the slide outs because, as you guys know, there isn't much there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified about future videos. Now, we skirted the entire fifth wheel from front all the way around the slide outs, around the back, and what we did and what you'll see that we did was hold up the OSB and the insulation using logs and different pieces of wood. So instead of screwing it into the metal skirt of the fifth wheel, we just held it up a different way.